Hello everyone and welcome! Today many people want to learn how to record their own videos and share them on YouTube. Whether it's for showcasing a project, demonstrating a software tool, presenting a tutorial, or simply sharing knowledge with the world. If you have ever wondered how to easily record your own video and upload or stream it on YouTube, then this video is exactly for you. My name is Krishna Kumar, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple, practical method to record your own video in a clean and professional way. You don't need complicated equipment or advanced technical skills, just a few easy steps and you'll be ready to create and share your content confidently. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to record your presentation, combine it with your screen or slides, and prepare it for YouTube so your audience can clearly see both your content and your explanation. So without any further delay, let's get started and see how you can quickly create your own video and share it with the world on YouTube. In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step method to record your own presentation using Zoom and prepare it for uploading to YouTube or any other streaming platform. First, download and install the Zoom desktop application on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the Zoom application and log in using your Zoom account credentials. After logging in, click on New Meeting. This will open the Zoom meeting window. You will now see the startup meeting screen. At this stage, please make sure that both audio and video are turned on so that your voice and your camera will be recorded properly. Next, start the meeting by clicking the Start button at the bottom of the window. Once the meeting begins, maximize the Zoom workspace window so you have a clear working area. Now click on the Share Screen button. From the options displayed, select the first option called Entire Screen. On the right-hand side, you will see an option called As Background. Select this option. After that, click the Share button at the bottom of the window. You are now ready to begin your recording. Whenever you are ready to start recording, click on the Zoom window where your video is visible and press Alt+R on your keyboard. This will start the recording process. Your screen, video, and audio will all be recorded together. You can now proceed with your presentation or demonstration as planned. Once you have completed your presentation, click on Stop Share at the bottom of the screen. Then click End and select End Meeting for All. After ending the meeting, Zoom will automatically begin converting your recording. A message will appear indicating that the video is being processed. Please do not close or interrupt this conversion process as the video file is being generated. Once the conversion is complete, a new folder will automatically open on your computer. Inside this folder, you will find several files. The file with the largest size will be your final video recording, which includes both your audio and video. You can now take this file and upload it directly to YouTube or any other streaming platform to share your presentation with your audience. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video and share it with anyone who wants to learn how to create their own YouTube recordings. Also, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, project demos, and practical technology tips. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.